size for some of my other houses or whatever. So these are floors that's going into the other house. Paint, sink, going into the other house that we just left on down the street. As you see, the guys came in here over the weekend and did the plumbing. So I got the plumbing done, and the next thing we're working on here now is electrical, which is just changing out the plugs. And after that, you know, we'll come in here with paint, dress it up, make it look real good. This is gonna be an easy one to rent out. I already have like people, I done had about 4 or 5 people hit me up about this house, want to rent it. They came here last week. When you think you're gonna be ready? I said, I don't know yet. But it's gonna be easy to rent these out. Pick up the carpet in here. We're gonna do the same thing here, put hardwood floors down, waterproof floors. That way, it's good for durability. You know, carpets that hold scent, they smell. So we're gonna get this up out of here. And once again, we had the water heater. Had a water heater put in to this one as well. Same situation. And like I said, this one gonna be an easy one. I think this house will pay like $9,000 for it. Pay like $9,000 for it on auction. So auction.com, yeah. And this house right here, same situation, same room, you know. So it's gonna be, this one gonna be a pretty easy one. Not as much work needs to be done, probably a few broken glasses, things of that nature, but this was a great buy. And we'll probably rent this one for about $650, $675. Got some good neighbors, good area. So yeah, love the small cookie cutter homes. Hey, it's so crazy because, you know, that's the direction everybody going now anyway. It's like tiny homes all over again. One of them I let my partner get it. I let my business partner get one of them. And so I have this one under contract. We had to go on this one because it's air property, so we still have some issues with that one. But soon, hopefully we'll have it done. These two right here, across the street. Buddy get the white one. And the blue one, I have the blue one as well. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm either gonna sell it. If I can't sell it, then I'll just I'll rehab it. How much you want for that house? I'll probably take about $15,000, $17,000. I ain't really sure yet. Depending on how I'm feeling. All depends on how I'm feeling, man. That's what normally happens. Like, to be honest with you, how I came up on those houses right there, we was working on the other house, and a lady approached me with 30 homes, and she said that, you know, she wanted to sell. And I said, you have a list? She said, yeah. So she sent me a list of all her homes. I peeked through them, and I grabbed the ones that I wanted. Pretty quiet, man. I'm sure just like any other neighborhood, it has its good and bad. But you can see the quality of homes over in here. Ain't no bad homes. Just certain streets you turn on. So you see that house right there on the ground? 2 properties for $8,000. That's right, you heard it, $8,000. They're right next door to each other. This is what I'm talking about, tired landlords who are ready to quit the business. These are not tax lien properties. These are not foreclosed properties. These are just properties that were in someone's portfolio and they are offloading. This one right here, the blue one, I have been inside of it. The pink one, I haven't been inside of it. So today, we're gonna go inside of the blue one. I'm gonna take you on a tour on that one, and then we're gonna take a tour of the pink one as well.
Get it.
I had to put my mask on for it because it has a smell in here. But and it does need some work. But it's not as bad as it seems, because these floors can be saved. Not a lot of sheetrock damage. It just smells in here, man. It smells shitty everywhere. But they can be saved. Definitely can be saved. $4,000, and they gave me that one for $4,000. Even though they did want more than that, man. All right. So no luck with getting in on this property because I brought the drill instead of a hammer. So I'll try it again another day. But this property is pretty much secured, so that one right there, I think somebody was squatting in it. But this one right here seems pretty secured. I don't think nobody on the inside of them. So I just showed you guys about 8 different units that I own, and I pretty much started from the bottom. I started from the bottom with 1 rental property, and it multiplied to 2, 3, and so on. So this is what I do. I go beyond the Clippers. I'm a barber, but I'm also a real estate investor, real estate agent. I have shown several different properties that I own, and I do have some more in my back pocket.